In ElectroWeb, it is possible to make settings for auto-sending of the desired reports to the specific users. This is being done on the Setup menu Auto Email Sender segment. With the plus button, new record will be open. First, we enter the subject of the email. Then, in the next field, one or more recipients' email addresses can be entered. These should be separated by comma. We continue by selecting the desired report from the dropping menu. In addition, we also define date and time when the reports will be sent. If desired, you may also activate Send at the end of the night audit option. On the Parameters segment, we can add additional parameters to the related report, such as day range, currency, and similar. The parameters we entered are set as 30 days report starting from the program date. At the defined hour, report will be sent to the related email addresses.